In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel on a 2022 Rolls-Royce Ghost. Starting on the outside edge of this leather trim piece, with your curved pick tool, get underneath this leather trim piece and then lift up, take it out, and put it in a safe spot. Now that you have the leather trim piece out of the way, there are two Torx bolts that you need to remove. Sometimes they get stuck. Easy fix. Grab your magnet, take it out, and then move on to your next step. With your gasket stick, starting on the outside edge of this trim piece, slide it in behind the plastic and push to the right to take out this trim piece.
Now take out the screws like my dad is doing, just like this.
With your curved pick tool, open up this trim piece behind the door handle, exposing the last and final Torx bolt holding this door panel. Take out the Torx bolt, put it in a safe spot, and let's take this panel completely off. With your Wedge Pry Tool, slide it in the bottom right side of the panel, create some separation, and open up the rest of the door panel. Completely take off the door panel and let it rest on a small stool like I have here. With your Wedge Pry Tool, open up the side molding to expose that bottom gasket, then grab your hook tool, slide it all the way in, pull up, and yank out this gasket. Now we are ready for bottom loading.
Thanks for watching my dad's video. Protect everything you love with Expel.